In this short video, I am going to demonstrate how to copy a cell to a very large selected range. Let's say you have a value in cell A3 and you want to copy to a large range such as C3 to C55,000. The easiest way to do the copy is to follow these steps. First, select cell A3, pick copy. The contents is copied to a clipboard. Next, specify where you want this clipboard to paste to. Type in C3 to C55,000. Push Enter key or return on your Mac. The destination range are now selected. The last step is to click Paste. Now it's done. That's it.